everyone. Let's go to the farm. What animals will we see? Let's take a look. Cow, cow. Duck, duck. Sheep, sheep. Horse, horse. Cat, cat. Donkey, donkey. Turkey, turkey. Pig, pig. Chicken, chicken. Dog, dog. Well done. That was great. Let's do it one more time. Listen and repeat. Cow, duck, sheep, horse, cat, donkey, turkey, pig, chicken, dog. Great job, everyone. You did it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Fun Kids English is the place for you.
Looking for fun kids songs and videos for learning English? Fun Kids English is the place for you. Animals, foods, colors, the alphabet, phonics, and lots more.
Fun Kids English is the place for you.